ह्या वर्सा गोंयच्या कलाकारांक माची मागिल्ली त्या प्रमाण माची मेळ्ळ्या. गोंयच्या कलाकारांक ही बरी माची मेळ्ळ्या. गोवा विलेज गोवा कुझीन सनबर्नाक पळोवपाक मेळटलें. हो सनबर्न पुराय वेगळो आसा. आमकां ड्रग्स नाका म्हण पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
सनबर्न म्हटलं की एक खंय तरी एक ड्रग्स अंमली पदार्थ हेच्याच वेळाखान आसताले, पूण आयज तुम्ही गोव्याच्या लोकांक स्थान दिल्या पळय, कितें प्रतिक्रिया कितें दिसता?
दोन गजाली करया. वर्सभर इव्हेंट जायत असतात. सनबर्नाच्या स्टॉलाक म्हाका खंय स्टॉल दिसती म्हणल्यार ट्रक विकता तो दिसला. म्हजो एकूच आसा, ट्युरिस्ट जो येता तो जो ड्रगाक येता तो ह्या फेस्टिवलाक येवन नाल्यार भायर खंय येवं, दोस फेलो जो ट्युरिस्ट वी डोंट वॉन्ट, आणि त्या खातीर हांव परत परत येवयाक करीत आसता. एज फार एज इव्हेंट्स आर गोईंग, वी नीड टू हॅव डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ थिंग, फ्रॉम EDM to spirituality to everything coming into Goa, which we have been talking continuously in terms of getting tourism right 365 days. So जेन्ना गोवा rediscover life म्हणटा हांव, जाल्यार आफ्टर कोविड when you say rediscover life has everything where everyone wants to see. Sunburn has been playing quite a role in the number of years as the EDM festival in Goa, which comes in the last week of December. ह्या वर्सा हांवें जेन्ना टुरिजम मिनिस्ट्री घेतले तेन्ना सांगिल्लें म्हाका गोंयचे डीजे गोंयचे कलाकारांक स्टेज जाय, आनी ते आमी मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन उलोवन वी डिसायडेड टू हॅव अ 4 day festival. Conditionally की 4 days, Sunburn said we are ready to do it. Then we told them the first day has to be only Goan, because the eyeballs have to rotate. Then all balance 3 days can be for all the other people coming in. So आज जेन्ना आमी ओपन करता गोवा फेस्टिवल, the Goa Sunburn, the Goa village at Sunburn, the first of its type at Sunburn. Number of years they have done in Goa. This will allow a lot of DJs, musicians and the rest of them to perform and get a thing in their profile. खंयच्या डीजेक आपलो जेन्ना बायोडेटा घेता, प्लेड एट सनबर्न म्हणटकच ताचो बायोडेटा वाडटा, आनी गोंयच्या डीजेक गोंयच्या म्युजिशियनाक समज प्लॅटफॉर्म जाय आशिल्लो जे म्हाका दिसतालें ताका गरज आसा. Today we have ensured that Sunburn is giving them that platform. First day, the whole world is seeing only at the Goan village. The festival starts from today and goes ahead with the rest of the things tomorrow. So we have given a very clear focus on the Goa festival, the Goa talent, and as I wish them, I should thank Harinder and his team for having given Sunburn to Goa with the Goan flavor. The Goa village जी आसा तातूंत तुमी पळयला जाल्यार सायडीकूय स्टॉल्स दिल्ले आसा, which will give Goan cuisine also. Lot of people who are chefs who are in good traditional Goan food will also have a stalls to showcase their cuisine. When we say Goa is famous for food, these are cuisine stalls are here which they can come and expect to taste things which otherwise they say are very Goan and they would want to have it. So was Sunburn will be definitely different. I have also told everybody, पुलिसे कडेन मिटींग घेवन सांगलां की जे इन्स्टन्सीस फाटी जाले तातूंत गोंयचें नांव वाट लागूं शकता, थंय पुलिसाची नजर आसपाक जाय. SP निधी also I think is on the front foot trying to ensure that such type of things don't happen. We do not want drugs and we don't want drugs coming here, and that is what we have told. But तुम्ही जेन्ना म्हाका विचारता सनबर्न आनी ड्रग्स, इव्हेंट नासलेले ड्रग्स आसा, हे कंटिन्यू चालूच आसता, आनी ड्रग्स इज नॉट अ इश्यू which we can just leave it halfway. It's a very serious issue and we need to tackle it. At the same time, we need to have the events right. With today Sunburn coming at the end of the year, we expect a lot of tourists to come in for the next 3 days, and today and the next 3 days to enjoy, feel the Goan village, feel Sunburn, and ensure that they have some good nostalgic moments as they stay in Goa, and we offer them more experiences in Goa unlike before.
Sir, any preventive measures are taken against COVID, sir?
Every COVID protocol and the rest of the things, Mukhyamantri already meeting घेतिल्ली आसा. As far as the police are concerned, the health are concerned, in terms of COVID, in terms of safety management and the law and order, तिगांचेर ताणें already CM meeting जी घेतल्या तातूंत already the new protocols have been laid out, and health department and the rest of the people whoever are there, everything is being looked upon in terms of every protocol that needs to be looked upon.
मास्काचो वापर जातलो about it?
2 तारीखपर्यंत आम्ही सांगला हे करूया. So things which are not here, forecasting and going, we need to be responsible in the long term. Every person who's coming to being here, as we promote tourism as responsible and sustainable tourism, we expect the tourist to be very responsible as he enjoys himself within the available things. आणि तुमच्याकडे एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा, आज सकाळी फुडें एक सोशल मिडिया मेसेज व्हायरल जाली, जी मेसेज आशिल्ली 2 वर्सां पयलींची काय 3 वर्सां पयलींची. So I think let media play a very responsible role in ensuring the right things are there. प्रोजेक्ट गोवा इन द राईट मॅनर. तुमची सगळ्यांचो हेल्प जाय आणि तो आसतलो अशी आशा मानता. कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ सीझन टू एवरीबडी अँड लेट्स हॅव अ जॉली गुड टाइम एज वी गोवन्स आर नोन वेन वी से अतिथी देवो भव. सगळ्यांक टुरिस्टांक आमी वेलकम करतात, पण एट द सेम टायम तांकां रिस्पॉन्सिबल जावन टुरिजम एन्जॉय करून आमी सांगतात.